pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap Maze Chapel. Local and long-distance movers near me. We've got you covered, no matter how far you need to go. Our expert movers will handle all your moving-related activities while allowing you to take time to focus on other important tasks. Our expert movers are licensed and have vast experience in handling all types of challenging situations. At Maze Chapel, 3 Movers has been a leading company in the moving industry for more than 2 decades. Right from packing your things safely to delivering them to your doorstep, we pay special attention to every little detail. You can justify your expense of hiring a local moving company in Maze Chapel after considering the primary benefits. You still have to deal with packaging to unpacking your boxes, no matter how far or near you are moving. A reliable moving company will not only save your time but also make your move stress-free. Our moving team at 3 Movers will help you settle in your new place much faster than your own. We are specialized in local moving, among other services. In just a few hours, you'll be all set to enjoy your new space by yourself. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Maze Chapel moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form